Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this session of end-to-end project management, in this session we will focus on the what is the coupon test and its application. So basically, coupon test is done for the checking corrosions. It is a small flat metallic samples that are used to monitor and measure the rate of corrosion within a system or a processes. Typically, that are made up from the material whichever we are considering for the equipments, and the system is being monitored and that is placed within a system to expose or to be in a contact with the same environment as the rest of the system. Then the coupons are removed at a specific intervals and analyzed to determine its extent and rate of corrosion. This information can be used to identify the potential issues with the process and the material compatibility that determines the effectiveness of the corrosion inhibitors, and it helps to evaluate the performance of the material used in the system. Basically, corrosion rate is measured in miles per year or 1000 of an inch per year. Okay. When and why to perform a coupon test? Okay. So the corrosion or coupon may be needed in a variety of situations to monitor and the extent and the rate of corrosion within a system, and some common situations where corrosion coupon may required, which I have listed down. First is new system startup. Whenever we are going to start up new system or installation of new system or commissioning for a new process requirements, corrosion coupons may be used to monitor the rate of corrosion and ensure that it's operating as expected. Then second is to avoid maintenance or shutdown. During maintenance or shutdowns, corrosion coupon may be installed to monitor the corrosion rates and identify the potential issues or areas of concern. Whenever we perform the thickness test, that gives us idea about the material compatibility, whether it is reacting with the metal or the selected material of construction of the vessel is suitable or not. Then third is the whenever we are going for any new process, we are using the existing setup for a new process. There is change in process or any operating conditions. The corrosion coupons may be installed to monitor its impacts on a corrosion rate and identify the potential issues. The next is corrosion rate analysis. Okay, the corrosion coupons may be used to provide the accurate or reliable data for the analysis of corrosion rate over a certain period of time, because coupon test is done for a certain period of time that may be kept in a contact with the corrosive atmosphere for the 24 hours or 48 hours. That depends on the our process requirement. Then sometimes there is a compliance requirement, or the in some cases the regulatory ask or compliance requirements maybe specify the use of corrosion coupons to monitor and measure the extent and rate of corrosion within a system. Basically, overall, the decisions to use a coupon will depends on the specific applications and the monitoring requirements. By using corrosion coupon, we'll get accurate data that helps to select the proper material. And these are the some images that gives us idea about what will happen or how material compatibility is major concern while selecting the right appropriate material. Otherwise, the vessel get corroded, or sometimes the vessel may get spin holes or leakages during operation. Then selection of coupon for test. There are variety of materials. How the selection of coupons involves considering number of factors that related to a specific applications or which are going to monitored. This factor includes the material of construction, because that should be made from the same material as the equipments or the surrounding process pipings are made up to provide accurate representation of the corrosion rates. Okay, next is shape and size. The shape and size of corrosion coupon should be chosen based on the geometry of the system, whether we have to monitor the corrosion rate in the cylindrical vessel or whether we have to monitor the rate of the corrosion the inside the piping, or whether we have to monitor the rate of corrosion in the process area, not directly into the reaction vessels or anything. That depends on that. Okay. Then next is the exposure time cycle. The exposure time for the corrosion coupon should be chosen based on the expected corrosion rates and the frequency to be monitored. Coupons that are exposed too short a time may not provide us accurate representation of corrosion rate. So that we have to check the coupon test for a certain period, that at least for 24 hours or 48 hours. Okay, so that we will get the proper data for the conclusions whether that material is compatible or not. The next is the environment, or whether that is corrosive environment or not. The choice of corrosion coupon should be also taken into consideration based on the corrosive environment. For example, we have to expose a coupon to highly acidic environment or highly alkaline environment. May needs to be made from the different material or the compatible material for the process areas. Okay. Then selection of coupon based on the analysis requirements. The type of analysis required will also influence the which type of corrosion coupon we have to use. Corrosion coupon used for the weight loss analysis may need to be a specific size or shape to ensure accurate results. Okay. Then there are different types of corrosion coupons available. So we'll discuss one by one, so that there are several types of corrosion coupons that are commonly used to monitor and measure the rate of corrosion in different geometrical systems. First is a flat coupon. These are most commonly used type of corrosive coupons and are typically flat rectangular shaped sample that are made from the same material from which we have installed the reactors or the process equipments, and flat coupon looks like this. Okay. Then second type is the cylindrical coupon. Cylindrical coupons looks like this. That coupons are used to monitor the corrosion rate inside the pipelines or other cylindrical structures. These coupons are typically cylindrical in shape, as you see here. These are typically cylindrical in shape, and that needs to be placed inside the pipeline. Then next is the wire coupon. Okay. The wire coupons are used to monitor the rate of corrosion rates of wires and cables. These coupons are typically made up from the same material, like the cable which we are checking the material compatibility, so that we'll get the proper compatibility data, so that uh,
and it looks like this. The next is a rod coupon. Basically, rod coupons looks like this, and rod coupons are used to monitor the same as the other as corrosion rate of rods or other long cylindrical structures. And these are the basically small in diameter and having a comparatively longer length. And the next type of coupon is ring or disc type coupon. It looks like this as you seen here, and these coupons are used to monitor the corrosion rate of flanges or other circular structures like walls or flanges. These coupons are typically in circular shape as you easily identify the ring type coupon or disc type coupon. Okay. The next, our focus is how to install or where to install the corrosion coupon. First is the accessibility. The coupon should be installed in such a place that can be easily accessible for the monitoring and the removal. Representative sampling. The coupon should be placed in such a location that is representative to a corrosion rate of the entire system. Okay, that should not be in a corner or anything. This may require multiple coupons to install in a different locations within the equipment. Then the corrosive environment. As the purpose of to carry out corrosion test is that the to check the corrosion, so we have to install the coupon in a corrosive atmosphere. Okay, next is the avoid obstructions or the flowing disturbances, as the coupon should be placed in such a locations where it should not be obstructed, like the process vapors needs to get in contact, free flowing, so that we'll get the its impacts. Okay, and the overall location of the corrosion coupon should be selected based on the thoroughly understanding of the system or equipments, whether it exactly capture the accurate data for the corrosion analysis. Then there are the application of corrosion coupons that is used in the chemical processing, so that it's like chlorination, bromination, or the compounds which contribute to the corrosion. Then next is manufacturing industries that facilitate monitor the rate of corrosion equipments used for the metal fabrication, plating, and other processes. In oil and gas industry to monitor the corrosion rate of pipelines, storage tank, and other equipments that is exposed to the corrosive atmosphere or the environment, as the most of the oil and gas industries are in the sea or coastal areas. So this needs to be monitored prior to deciding material of selection for the any particular equipment. Same like for the petrochemical industry and the water treatment plants, because water treatment plants have different types of effluents which is coming from the different process streams that treatment plants facilitate to monitor the corrosion rate in pipes, pumps, and other equipments used in the treatment processes, so that coupon test will helps to optimize the its performance of the equipments. And I have attached some picture. This is of oil and gas industry, or this is the water treatment plant. This is the piping which got corroded due to incompatible material or the corrosive atmosphere, and scale formation is inside this. The complete piping material is got damaged, and this is the impact of the corrosive vapors or the atmosphere on the metallic surface. So to avoid its impact or to break down, we have to select the proper material of construction for any of the equipments, that may be tank, reactor, pumps, or anything. So that's why it is an important topic, and I have highlighted here. Hope you got the clarity about this. Thank you for now. Bye bye.